Kia ora, ko Te Ahu Pātaki te maunga, ko Koukourarata te awa, ko Taki Timu te waka, ko Ngāi Tahu te iwi, ko Ngāti Huikai te hapu, ko Tu te Huarua te marae, ko Ara Prasad tōku papa, ko Dot Gracing tōku mama, ko Isobel Prasad tōku ingoa. I attended Burnside High School and we had a whānui there where we had a Ngāi Tahu representative come in and discuss some of the scholarships that we had for Ngāi Tahu members. So I was able to look on the website and have a closer look at the scholarship, which was really beneficial. I have always been interested in news and media and what's happening in society. Since I was a little girl, my parents always had the news on, so I was always watching the news. So it just, I don't know, I like to be out there and meeting people and seeing what's going on, and it's very important to me that other people around the world and in our society and community know what is happening. So I think it was important for me to play a vital part in letting people know, and that's why I wanted to head down this path. I think I'm a lifelong learner, so I really do enjoy learning, and I'm really excited to see the people that I'm going to meet and what I'm going to learn, and being able to go out and explore and get those really interesting and stories that are important to people and important to our communities. So that's probably what I'm most excited about. It is a great honour to have a scholarship from Ngāi Tahu, and I would definitely recommend to anyone willing to apply for it to just go ahead and do it. I am so excited about what I'm going to experience being a part of Ngāi Tahu and being at New Zealand Broadcasting School, so honestly just go for it.